Now coming to the third bit, which is 3x minus y is equal to 3. Let this be equation number 1. And the other one is 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. Let this be equation number 2. Now the equation number 1 can be written as minus y is equal to 3 minus 3x, and multiplying minus 1 on both sides will be getting y is equal to minus 3 plus 3x. Therefore, let us substitute y is equal to minus 3 plus 3x in equation number 2. So in place of y, let us substitute minus 3 plus 3x. That means second equation becomes 9x minus 3 times of y can be written as minus 3 plus 3x. This is equal to 9. So 9x minus of minus becomes plus, 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 3 multiplied by 3x becomes minus 9x, which is equal to 9. Now this becomes 9x minus 9x is 0, and here we get plus 9 and here we will get 9. That implies 9 is equal to 9. Now we can conclude that the given set of linear equations has infinite number of solutions. Let us see the fourth bit now, which is 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3 and 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. The given equations are in terms of decimals, so let us first convert them in terms of whole numbers. So multiply the first equation by 10, we get 10 times of 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 10 times of 1.3. In the similar manner, let us multiply the second equation by 10, we get 10 times of 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 10 times of 2.3. Therefore, we will be getting 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 and 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. Let this be equation number 1 and this be equation number 2. Now first equation can be written as 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y. That implies x is equal to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. Let us substitute the value of x in equation number 2. So the second equation becomes 4 times of, in place of x let us write 13 minus 3y divided by 2. 13 minus 3y divided by 2 plus 5y is equal to 23. 2 goes in 4 as 2. So 2 times of 13 is 26 and 2 times of minus 3y is minus 6y and this is plus 5y is equal to 23. Now let us transpose 26 to right hand side. We will be getting minus 6y and plus 5y is minus y is equal to 23 minus 26. This implies minus y is equal to minus 3. So minus and minus will be cancelled. We will be getting y is equal to 3. Now let us substitute y is equal to 3 in equation number 1. We'll be getting 2x plus 3 times of, in place of y we have 3 is equal to 13. 2x plus 3 times 3 is 9 is equal to 13. 2x is equal to 13 minus 9 and 2x is equal to 13 minus 9 is 4. That implies x is equal to 4 by 2, which is nothing but 2. Therefore, we can say that x is equal to 2 is one solution and y is equal to 3 is another solution. So the given pair of linear equations solution x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Now coming to the fifth problem, which is root 2 times of x plus root 3 times of y is equal to 0. This, let it be equation number 1, and root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Let this be equation number 2. So now the first equation can be written as root 2x is equal to minus root 3y. That implies x is equal to minus root 3 divided by root 2 times of y. Let us substitute the value of x, which is minus root 3 divided by root 2 times of y, in equation number 2. We get root 3 times of, in place of x we can substitute minus root 3 by root 2 times of y, and here we have minus under root y is equal to 0. So root 3 multiplied by minus root 3 gives minus 3y by root 2, and this is minus root 8y, which is equal to 0. Now we can take minus y as a common. We'll be getting 3 by root 2 plus root 8 is equal to 0. Now we can say that y is equal to 0. This is because since this term is not equal to 0, obviously y must be equal to 0. Now substitute y is equal to 0 in equation number 1. We'll get root 2 times of x plus root 3 times of 0 is equal to 0. That implies root 2 times x is 0. That is nothing but x is also equal to 0. So we got x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Therefore, the solution for the given pair of linear equations are x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Now coming to the sixth problem, which is 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. So let this be equation number 1. And the second equation is x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. This be equation number 2. Now the equation number 1 can be written as 3x by 2 is equal to minus 2 minus 5y by 3 can be transposed to right hand side, then it becomes plus 5y by 3. 3x by 2 is equal to, LCM is 3, and we get minus 2 multiplied by 3 plus 5y, and this is equal to 3x by 2 divided by 3. On cross multiplication we get 3x multiplied by 3 is equal to 2 times of minus 6 plus 5y. So 3x multiplied by 3 is 9x, and we get 2 multiplied by minus 6 is minus 12, plus 2 multiplied by 5y is 10y. So x is equal to minus 12 plus 10y divided by 9. So let us substitute the value of x in equation number 2. So in place of x, we can write minus 12 plus 10y divided by 9. Minus 12 plus 10y divided by 9 by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. So this can be written as minus 12 plus 10y. 9 multiplied by 3 is 27 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Now the LCM of 27 and 2 is 54. So 27 goes in 54 as 2. So we write 2 times of minus 12 plus 10y plus 27 times of y is equal to 13 by 6. This is equal to minus 24 plus 20y plus 27y is equal to 13 multiplied by 54 divided by 6. 6 goes in 54 as 9. Therefore we get minus 24 plus 20y plus 27y is 47y is equal to 13 multiplied by 9. That implies minus 24 plus 47y is equal to 13 multiplied by 9 is 117. We get 47y is equal to, let us transpose minus 24 to right hand side. We get 117 plus 24. That implies 47y is equal to 141, which is y is equal to 141 divided by 47. 47 goes in 141 as 3. So y will be equal to 3. And substitute y is equal to 3 in equation number 1. In place of y, let us write 3. That gives 3x by 2 minus 5 by 3 times of 3 is equal to minus 2. And this implies 3 and 3 will be cancelled. 3x by 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. This implies 3x by 2 is equal to minus 2, and minus 5 is transposed to right hand side. We get plus 5. 3x by 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 5 is plus 3. So 3x is equal to 2 times of 3 is 6. That implies x is equal to 6 by 3, which is nothing but 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 are the solutions for the given pair of linear equations.